Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Alright, so day 11 was quite exciting, lots of ideas. We're going to undo the number 12 little parcel in the Uniquely Creative Advent box today. Alright, I'm going to try and guess. Oh, it's round. Feels bumpy. You know what? I think these might be big doilies. I've got to get one right. Surely. Nope, didn't get it right. It wasn't round at all. I don't know why I was thinking it was round. These are puffy stickers. Daydream puffy stickers. So they've actually got a little bit of height to them. I'll open it so you can see. If I can open it. Fingers are not working. Okay, so it's on a clear backing, and I'll see if, can you see the dimension there? So I'd say they're about a millimetre, and there's some lovely ones there. You can use them on, again, journals, scrapbook pages, cards. You can even probably put them on your computer. You know, like if you decorate the computer case and things like that. That'd probably work really well. Alrighty, so that was day 12. We're up to day 13 tomorrow. Join me tomorrow. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.